17 Blood pressure busting foods that lower blood pressure naturally. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, refers to the pressure of blood against your artery walls. Over time, high blood pressure can cause blood vessel damage that leads to heart disease, kidney disease, stroke, and other problems. Hypertension is sometimes called the silent killer because it produces no symptoms and can go unnoticed and untreated for years. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), an estimated 75 million Americans have high blood pressure. Many risk factors for high blood pressure are out of your control, such as age, family history, gender, and race. But there are also factors you can control, such as exercise and diet. A diet that can help control blood pressure is rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber and lower in sodium. Let's take a look at foods that natural lower blood pressure naturally. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are rich in nitrates, which help to manage blood pressure. Some research suggests that eating 1 to 2 servings of nitrate-rich vegetables every day can reduce hypertension for up to 24 hours. Examples of leafy greens include cabbage, collard greens, fennel, kale, lettuce, mustard greens, spinach, Swiss chard. To consume a daily dose of green vegetables, stir spinach into curries and stews, or bake a batch of kale chips. 2. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. Researchers conducted a large study with more than 34,000 people with hypertension. They found that those with the highest intake of anthocyanins, mainly from blueberries and strawberries, had an 8% reduction in the risk of high blood pressure, compared to those with a low anthocyanin intake. Enjoy berries as a snack or sweet treat after meals, or add them to smoothies and oatmeal. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which may help to manage high blood pressure. Citrulline helps the body to produce nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes blood vessels and encourages flexibility in arteries. These effects aid the flow of blood, which can lower high blood pressure. In one study, adults with obesity and prehypertension or mild hypertension who took watermelon extract showed reduced blood pressure in the ankles and brachial arteries. The brachial artery is the main artery in the upper arm. Researchers have also found that animals given a diet rich in watermelon had better heart health. 4. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and antifungal food. Its main active ingredient, allicin, is often responsible for associated health benefits. Some research suggests that garlic increases the body's production of nitric oxide, which helps the smooth muscles to relax and the blood vessels to dilate. These changes can reduce hypertension. One study reported that garlic extract reduced blood pressure in hypertensive people. Using garlic instead of salt can further promote the health of the heart. 5. Pomegranates. Drinking 1 cup of pomegranate juice daily for 28 days can lower high blood pressure in the short term, according to the findings of a study from 2012. The researchers attributed this effect to the fruit's antioxidant content. While pomegranates can be enjoyed whole, some people prefer the juice. When buying pre-packaged pomegranate juice, check to ensure that there is no added sugar. 6. Potatoes. Even though potatoes are considered as a fattening food, think French fries deep fried in oil. Studies conducted by the American Chemical Society found that a number of servings of potatoes daily can reduce blood pressure, same like oatmeal, without any apparent weight gain. The researchers also found a substance in potatoes which acts like an ACE inhibitor, one of the common medications used in treating HBP. 7. Raisins. Did you know that in 2012, a study by the American College of Cardiology discovered that by consuming a handful of raisins times a day greatly reduced systolic blood pressure after 4, 8, and 12 weeks among pre-hypertensive people compared to any other snack food? 8. Bananas. Eating foods that are rich in potassium is better than taking supplements. Slice a banana into your cereal or oatmeal for a potassium-rich addition. You can also take one to go along with a boiled egg for a quick breakfast or snack. 9. Dark chocolate. A 2015 study found that eating dark chocolate is associated with a lower risk for cardiovascular disease, CVD. The study suggests that up to 100 grams per day of dark chocolate may be associated with a lower risk of CVD. Dark chocolate contains more than 60% cocoa solids and has less sugar than regular chocolate. You can add dark chocolate to yogurt or eat it with fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, as a healthy dessert. 10. Cinnamon may also help to reduce blood pressure, at least in the